Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Acorns and Wealthfront, two of the most popular automated investing platforms out there. Both have carved out solid reputations, but target slightly different types of investors and come with different features, pricing, and philosophies. So let's explore what each platform offers, their strengths, weaknesses, and which might be the best fit for you. Let's find out. We start with Acorns. Acorns was founded in 2012 with a very clear mission to make investing easy and accessible for absolutely everyone, especially those who may not have a lot of experience or money to start with. What really sets Acorn apart is its innovative micro-investing approach. The platform links to your debit or credit cards and rounds up every purchase to the nearest dollar, automatically investing that spare change. Acorns is perfect for individuals who are new to investing and prefer a simple, automated approach. Its micro-investing feature makes it easy to start, and the integration of banking and investment tools provides a holistic financial experience. Now let's talk about Wealthfront. While Acorns is more about starting small and building your investing habits, Wealthfront targets investors who are looking for a more comprehensive solution that can help grow their wealth over time with minimal effort on their part. The minimum investment here is $500, which is higher than Acorns' no minimum micro-investing approach, but still accessible for most new investors. Wealthfront uses advanced algorithms to build and manage diversified portfolios tailored to your risk tolerance, goals, and timeline. What's really unique is their financial planning suite, which helps you plan for life milestones like buying a home, saving for college, or planning retirement, all integrated into one platform. Now let us talk about the features of the platforms. We start with Acorns. Roundup investing. This is the core feature. Your purchases are rounded up to the nearest dollar, and the difference is invested automatically. This passive saving method is simple but powerful for habit building. Found money. Acorns partners with hundreds of brands, and when you shop through their platform, you can earn bonus investments like cashback, but invested instead of paid out as cash. Later, retirement accounts. Acorns offers IRA options including traditional, Roth, and SEP IRAs with automatic contributions and diversified portfolios designed for long-term growth. Early custodial accounts. Parents can open accounts for their children, helping teach kids about investing early on while growing their future savings. Acorns Spend. This is their checking account and debit card offering, which comes with no overdraft fees, no minimum balance, and some cashback rewards. It integrates seamlessly with the investing side of the app. Education and resources. Acorns provides accessible financial education content to help users understand investing and money management better. Now let us head on to Wealthfront. Automated portfolio management. Wealthfront builds a globally diversified portfolio tailored to your goals, automatically rebalancing to keep your asset allocation on track. Financial planning tools. Their Path tool offers scenario planning, helping you see if you're on track to meet goals like buying a house or retiring comfortably. Tax loss harvesting. Wealthfront includes daily tax loss harvesting to help minimize your tax bill and maximize returns in taxable accounts. Direct indexing. For accounts over $100,000, Wealthfront offers direct indexing, which buys individual securities in an index to improve tax efficiency. Cash accounts. A high-yield cash account offering competitive interest rates, no fees, and FDIC insurance, plus bill pay and direct deposit. Portfolio line of credits. Allows you to borrow against your investment at low interest without liquidating assets, which is great for liquidity without selling. Stock level tax optimization. Helps reduce your capital gains tax even further by managing individual securities. Now let us talk about the pricing of both platforms. Acorns has a simply monthly subscription model with 3 tiers. There's the Acorns Bronze plan at $3 per month, There's the Acorns Silver plan at $6 per month, and there's the Acorns Gold plan at $12 per month. These are all good plans depending on what you're looking for. Wealthfront, by contrast, has the following charges. There's an annual advisory fee of 0.25% at a $3.18 monthly cost. No additional fees for their cash accounts. The minimum investment though is $500, which is higher than Acorns but is still accessible. What are the pros and cons of using Acorns and Wealthfront? We start with the pros. For Acorns, it is perfect for beginners. Automatic roundup investing builds savings effortlessly. It offers a full financial ecosystem. It's great for teaching kids about investing with custodial accounts, and there are low minimums. You can start with $0. And the pros of using Wealthfront: low advisory fees relative to traditional financial advisors, robust automated investing, tax optimization features, and high-yield cash accounts that adds to overall portfolio utility. How about the cons? For Acorns, monthly fees can be expensive relative to small account balances, limited customization in investment portfolios. The rewards program and banking features may not be as competitive as standalone services. And for Wealthfront, minimum $500 to get started may be a barrier for some beginners. No human financial advisor included for free. And it's not designed for active traders or people who want to pick individual stocks. So which platform takes the crown in 2025? It really depends on who you are and what you want out of your investing experience. If you're brand new to investing, you don't have a lot of upfront money, and you want a simple way to build good habits, Acorns is an excellent choice. Its automatic roundup investing removes the intimidating factor, and the banking and retirement tools provide a solid financial foundation. Just be mindful of the monthly fees if your balance stays small. But if you have a bit more to invest and you want a powerful automated platform that offers comprehensive financial planning, tax optimization, and a high-yield cash account, Wealthfront is definitely worth considering. It's designed for long-term wealth building with minimal effort, and the fees are reasonable compared to traditional advisors. That's it on the comparison between Acorns and Wealthfront. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Betterment, Robinhood, and SoFi Invest. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.